First demo with it, with the actual recording.
Finally got my DJI NEO, and I'm so happy to try it out and unbox it for all of y'all. Y'all gonna check it out right now and see how it is. Can't wait to bring y'all tons of videos with this sucker, man. It took a little while, a little longer than I expected. It said it was gonna be here like in 2 days, but it ended up taking like 5-6 days or something. But it was coming from China, so it took a little bit longer. But anyways, it's here now. I'm gonna do an unboxing. Check it out. Let's see how it is. Alright, so this is the unboxing of the DJI NEO. Let's go ahead and check it out. See what we get in the box. See how it looks. Oh man, that's really okay. Got some stuff in there. Got the charger. That's pretty much it. Probably the cables and stuff. Yeah, I guess the blades. Another one. Wires. And oh cool. I didn't know they had this. Okay, so that's cool. Alright, let's check it out. Man. Here we go. Wow. Well, this is my first drone, man. And I wanted something, you know, DJI has a lot of good stuff that I use, you know. So I wanted to get this, and I can't wait to try it out and see how it does. But first impressions, man, this is pretty small after all. It fits, like they say, in the palm of your hand. So this is pretty cool, man. Can't wait to try it out. It feels a little flimsy though. I didn't know those are supposed to be like that. You can kind of hear. I think you could disattach them. That's probably why. But they give you some extra blades, I guess. Or just in case these messed up, I guess. So that's pretty cool. And they give you the thing to screw them in and screw them out on the bottom, I'm assuming. So yeah, can't wait to try this one out, first drone, and can't wait to operate it and see how it goes. So that's my unboxing, man. Hope you enjoy.
All right, so now I'm recording with it. So now I'm recording with it. Earlier I was recording and didn't have the mic on. You have to put the mic on in order to start recording first. So first demo with it. Oh shoot. Yeah, so first demo with it, with the actual recording. So second takeoff, getting the hang of it. There you go. I said manual control right now. I'm using the remote control on the actual app itself. So pretty cool so far. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it for right now. Go ahead. Landing. See, it stopped recording and it's still recording right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording.
You can see a lot here, man. So subscribe for more.